Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to change Atomic Wallet password. If you would like to change your password that you've set for your Atomic Wallet, then you can simply follow the steps. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your Atomic Wallet app and enter your password to get access to your account. Now, tap the login button in order to end up in the main home page of Atomic Wallet. Once you're signed into your wallet, tap the More button appearing at the bottom right-hand corner and tap the security option from the wallet and security page. Now, tap on Change Password, and before changing your password, make sure that you've backed up your 12-word backup phrases, since this will help you restore your wallet if you ever forget your new password. Tap the Next button, enter the current password you are using for your account, and tap on Next. Now, enter the new password and repeat the new password again on the next page. Finally, tap Next, and you've successfully changed your password for Atomic Wallet. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.